Have you ever wondered how one financial crisis can destroy millions of jobs, wipe out billions of dollars, and completely change the way traders think about the market? Stay with us until the very end because this story has lessons that every trader must know. And before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss simple and powerful trading lessons that can help you become a smarter trader. Many people believe that financial markets always move because of charts, indicators, or news. But the truth is much bigger than that. Sometimes one event can create fear across the entire world. When fear takes control, even the strongest companies can lose value, and even experienced traders can make costly mistakes. A financial crisis is not just about numbers going down. It is about people losing confidence. It is about investors selling in panic. It is about banks becoming careful with money. It is about businesses struggling to survive. And for traders, it becomes one of the hardest times to stay calm. A financial crisis usually starts when people believe that prices will keep going higher forever. They borrow more money, invest more money, and take bigger risks because everything looks easy. First, everyone feels happy. Markets keep rising, profits look amazing, and many people think they have discovered the secret to becoming rich. But this feeling does not last forever. Every bubble eventually reaches a point where reality returns. When prices stop rising, fear slowly replaces confidence. People begin selling. More selling creates even more fear. Soon, the market starts falling much faster than anyone expected. For traders, this is where emotions become the biggest enemy. When prices drop quickly, many people panic. They close trades without a plan. They chase the market, hoping to recover their losses. Instead of thinking clearly, they let fear make every decision. This is why many traders lose a large part of their money during a financial crisis. The market does not only test your strategy. It tests your patience, discipline, and emotional control. One of the biggest examples in history was the global financial crisis of 2008. Before the crash, many banks gave loans to people who could not easily repay them. House prices kept rising, so everyone believed nothing could go wrong. Banks, investors, and companies became too confident. But when people started missing loan payments, everything changed. House prices began falling. Banks lost huge amounts of money. Businesses struggled, and millions of people lost their jobs. Stock markets around the world dropped sharply, creating panic everywhere. Traders watched prices fall day after day, and many accounts disappeared because people were not prepared for such a massive move. The most important lesson from every financial crisis is that risk management is more important than making quick profits. Many beginners only think about how much they can earn. Professional traders first think about how much they can lose. They know that protecting their money allows them to stay in the market for the next opportunity. During a crisis, even the best trading idea can fail. That is why successful traders never risk all their money on one trade. They always have a plan before entering the market. Another important lesson is that emotions spread faster than facts. When people see prices falling, they often believe the market will never recover. News channels show negative headlines every hour. Social media becomes full of fear. Friends and family also start talking about losses. All this creates even more panic. But history shows that markets have recovered from many financial crises. Recovery may take months or even years, but fear does not last forever. Traders who stay patient and follow their strategy often perform much better than those who trade based only on emotions. Financial crises also create opportunities. This may sound surprising, but while many people panic, experienced traders carefully watch the market. They wait for high-quality setups instead of rushing into random trades. They understand that big market moves can create good trading chances if risk is controlled. They do not try to predict every move. Instead, they react to what the market is actually doing. This simple mindset helps them avoid unnecessary mistakes. Another mistake many traders make during a crisis is using too much leverage. Leverage allows traders to control larger positions with less money. While this can increase profits, it can also increase losses very quickly. During a financial crisis, prices become highly unpredictable. A small market move can wipe out an over-leveraged account in minutes. This is why experienced traders reduce their risk when markets become more volatile. They understand that surviving difficult times is more important than chasing fast profits. Every financial crisis also teaches the value of learning from history. Markets may change, technology may improve, and trading platforms may become faster, but human emotions remain the same. Fear and greed continue to drive market movements. Traders who study past crises understand how markets behave during extreme conditions. This knowledge gives them more confidence when future challenges appear. If you are new to trading, do not think that avoiding every loss is possible. Even the world's best traders lose trades. The difference is that they accept small losses before they become huge losses. They never let one emotional decision destroy months or years of hard work. They know that trading is not about winning every day. It is about making smart decisions again and again over a long period. The next time you hear the words financial crisis, do not only think about market crashes. Think about the lessons hidden inside those difficult moments. Remember that discipline is stronger than fear, patience is more valuable than excitement, and good risk management is more powerful than chasing quick profits. Markets will always go through ups and downs, but traders who stay calm, keep learning, and protect their capital have a much better chance of long-term success. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful and learned something new about how financial crises affect traders, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who wants to become a smarter trader. We will continue bringing you simple, easy-to-understand trading lessons that can help you grow your knowledge and improve your trading journey. See you in the next video.